Apple had ambitious plans for the iPhone 17 Air, even experimenting with an ultra-thin 6.9-inch model. However, that idea never progressed beyond the prototype stage due to concerns reminiscent of the infamous Bendgate incident with the iPhone 6 Plus. Apple wasn't willing to risk a repeat of fragile designs that could bend from regular use, so they opted for a more practical 6.6-inch form factor. This version remains ultra-thin but is expected to offer improved durability. The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to replace the iPhone 17 Plus in Apple's lineup, bringing significant changes, some exciting, others potentially controversial. The iPhone 17 Air is shaping up to be a unique addition to Apple's lineup. It will feature a 6.6-inch OLED display with a 120Hz ProMotion refresh rate, ensuring smooth animations and responsiveness. Like other recent models, it will retain the dynamic island instead of reverting to a notch. Powering the device will be Apple's A19 chip, not the Pro version, but still a high-performance processor. One of the more surprising rumored details is that it may feature just a single 48-megapixel rear camera, with no ultra-wide or telephoto lens. Instead of relying on multiple lenses, Apple could be focusing on advanced software processing to enhance image quality. However, this decision might disappoint users who enjoy the versatility of multiple camera options. Despite its thin design, battery life is expected to be solid, thanks to Apple's new high-density battery technology. Additional features include Apple's custom C1 modem, MagSafe, an action button, and a new camera control button. Pricing is rumored to start at $899 in the US, maintaining the same price point as the iPhone 16 Plus. For years, rumors have suggested that Apple is working toward a portless iPhone, eliminating both Lightning and USB-C ports in favor of wireless charging and MagSafe. Some believe the iPhone 17 Air would be the first to embrace this fully wireless future. However, a recent leak from Ice Universe contradicts that theory, revealing a CAD drawing of an early prototype that still includes a physical charging port. While Apple may have originally considered a portless design, it appears they have decided to keep the port, at least for now. Another major design rumor suggests that the iPhone 17 Air could feature a radical new camera bar instead of the traditional camera bump. This design, reminiscent of Google's Pixel phones, would extend across the back of the device, making the top section roughly 4 mm thicker. If true, this would mark a dramatic departure from Apple's typically sleek and symmetrical aesthetic. While some users might appreciate the fresh look, others may find it out of place in Apple's design language. One of the iPhone 17 Air standout features is its incredibly thin profile. Reports suggest it will be just 5.44 mm thick, making it one of the slimmest flagship phones ever. However, this measurement doesn't account for the camera bar, which could make the phone feel thicker in hand. While a super thin phone is appealing from an aesthetic standpoint, it also raises concerns about durability. Apple likely has solutions in place to prevent structural issues, but skepticism remains until the phone is tested in real-world conditions. There's still much we don't know about the iPhone 17 Air, and with months to go before its official unveiling, some of these leaks may not hold up. However, based on what has surfaced so far, Apple appears to be making bold design choices with this model. Its ultra-thin body, single-camera setup, and potential camera bar could make it one of the most distinctive iPhones ever released. Whether these changes will be welcomed or spark controversy remains to be seen. Are you excited about the possibility of an ultra-thin iPhone, or do you prefer a more traditional design? And how do you feel about the rumored camera bar?